children, now we are starting our exercise self-practice 4E. This exercise is related to problem solving questions. In this our first question is 1864 books were sold at a book fair over 2 days. Of these 499 books were sold on Sunday. How many books were sold on Monday? Now they are saying there was a book fair for 2 days. In that they have sold the books 1864. Out of them 499 books were sold on Sunday. You have to tell how many books were sold on Monday. So for this you have to do subtraction, but for that we have to write the statement first. So statement for this question is number of books sold at a book fair is 1864. Number of books sold on Sunday are 499. Now we have to find number of books sold on Monday. So we have to do subtraction here. So now 4 is smaller than 9, so we have to take one borrow here. Here it becomes 14, and here we have taken one borrow, so here it becomes 6 minus 1, 5. 14 minus 9 is 5, so we are writing 5 here. 5 minus 9 we can't do, again we have to take one borrow. Here it becomes 15, and here 8 minus 1 becomes 7. 15 minus 9 is 6, so we will write 6 here. 7 minus 4 is 3, so we will write 3 here, and 1. Nothing is given here, so we will write 1 here like this only. So how many books are sold on Monday are 1365. So the number of books sold on Monday is 1365. Now question number 2 is Mansi uses 2965 beads to make a necklace. She uses 1382 beads to make a bracelet. How many fewer beads does she use to make a bracelet? Now they have said that in the question that she has used 1382 beads to make a bracelet, which are less than 2965. So she has used more beads in making of necklace than the bracelet. So now they are asking in the question how many fewer beads. Fewer beads means less beads she has used to make a bracelet. So again we have to do subtraction in this. For this we will write the statement first. So our statement for this question will be number of beads used to make necklace equals to 2965. Number of beads used to make bracelet 1382. Now we will deduct this number from this. So 5 minus 2 is 3. We will write 3 here. 6 is smaller than 8, so we will have to take one borrow. Here it becomes 16, and here 9 minus 1 will become 8. 16 minus 8 is 8 only, so we will write 8 here. 8 minus 3 is 5, so we will write 5 here. 2 minus 1 is 1. So number of beads she used less to make bracelet are 1583. So 1583 fewer beads she used to make a bracelet. Now our question number 3 is there are 8231 persons watching a football match. 4562 persons support team A and the rest support team B. How many persons support team B? Now in a football match 8231 persons watched that match. Out of them 4562 persons support team A. You have to answer how many persons support team B. So for this we will write the statement first. Our statement for this will be total number of persons watching a football match 8231. Number of persons support team A 4562, and number of persons support team B we have to find it out by doing subtraction. So here 1 is smaller than 2, so we have to take one borrow. Here it becomes 11, and 3 minus 1 here it becomes 2. 11 minus 2 is 9, so we have to write 9 here. 2 is smaller than 6, so we have to take one borrow. Here it becomes 12, and here 2 minus 1 1. 12 minus 6 is 6 only, so we have to write 6 here. Now again 1 is smaller than 5, so again we will take one borrow. Here it becomes 11, and here 7 minus 1 8 minus 1 7. 11 minus 5 is 6, so we will write 6 here. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the number of persons support team B are 3669. So we will write 3669 persons support team B. Now question number 4 is a factory produced 3600 chocolates in one day. 1250 of these were dark chocolates. How many other chocolates does the factory produce in one day? So a factory is producing in a day 3600 chocolates. Out of them 1250 are dark chocolates. So how many other chocolates does the factory produce in one day? You have to tell. So again you have to do subtraction. For this we will write the statement first. So statement for this will be Total number of chocolates produced 3600. Number of dark chocolates are 1250. Number of other chocolates we have to find it out. So we will do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. Now 0 minus 5 we can't do, so we have to take one borrow from here. Here it becomes 6 minus 1, 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So number of other chocolates are 2350. So in the answer we will write, so the number of other chocolates are 2350. Now question number 5 is, in a school there were 3540 children. On a particular day 2457 children were present. Find the number of children who were absent on that day. So in a school the number of children are 3540, and on a particular day 2457 children were present. You have to find the number of children who were absent on that day. So for this we have to write the statement again, and we have to do subtraction. So for this our statement will be, total number of children in a school 3540, number of children present 2457. Now number of children absent we have to find by the subtraction. Now 0 is less than 7, we have to take one borrow from here. Here it becomes 10, and here 4 minus 1, 3. 10 minus 7 is 3, so we will write 3 here. 3 minus 5 we can't do, so again we have to take one borrow. Here it becomes 13, and here 5 minus 1, 4. 13 minus 5 is 8, so we have to write 8 here. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. So how many children were absent on that day? 1083. So we will write, so the number of children absent on that day were 1083. Now question number 6 is given to us. Rupak scored 4000 points in a game. Leena scored 835 lesser points in the game than Rupak. How many points did Leena score? Now in a game Rupak is scoring 4000 points and Leena is scoring 835 lesser points than Rupak. So for this you have to find the points of Leena. So you have to subtract 835 from 4000. So for this we will write the statement. The statement for this will be, number of points scored by Rupak equals to 4000. Number of points Leena scored lesser than Rupak are 835. So now we have to do subtraction to find out number of points Leena scored. So 0 is less than 5, so we have to take one borrow. But here is also 0, here is also 0, so we have to take one borrow from here first. So 4 minus 1 will become 3, and here this 10 will give this borrow to this, so it will become 9. And here also it will give to this, so it will become 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 3, nothing is written here, so we will write 3 like this only. So number of points Leena scored are 3165. So Leena scored 3165 points. Now question number 7 is that the population of a village is 7975. The number of males is 4865. What is the number of females in that village? So the population of a village, they are saying the total number of population in a village are 7975, and the number of males are 4865. You have to find out the number of females by doing the subtraction. For this we will write the statement. The statement for this will be, total population of a village equals to 7975. Number of males in a village 4865. Number of females we have to find out by doing subtraction. So 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 4, 3. So the number of females are 3110. So the number of females in that village are 3110. So like this we are solving our questions.